All right, so next one we're going to now is going to be the press up. There's two ways we can do it. Okay, we're going to go full press up, okay, and then we're also going to do half press up, whichever way is going to suit you best. But also as well, we're going to focus on the control and stability aspect to it as well. All right, so first up, we'll try the full press up then. So with your hands, put your hands slightly wider than shoulder width, okay, yeah? And then what we're looking for then with the feet is put the feet slightly wider, okay? This will actually help you in terms of your balance. And so from that position there, what we're looking to try and do is keep all of the weight, the body weight, more towards the torso, the top end. And we're not trying to lean back into the legs. So you've got to use your abs for this, okay, yeah? So use your abs, okay, yeah? Squeeze abdominal section there. That will then help stabilize the back, all right? And then from that position then, we're keeping the head up and we're driving the chest down towards the ground and then pushing back up to the top like so. So what we're looking for is not trying to push the head down like this, just nice and controlled down and nice and controlled back up to the top again, all right? So as you're kind of going through that there, go through your repetition ranges that you need to be able to hit, but nice and controlled all the way through. If you find you drop in the hips, okay, you're going to cause more of an arch then, it could cause issues with the back. Try to come away from that, okay, yeah, stop what you're doing and then just restart it again, all right? So if you're in this position here and you find you're like this, okay, you're overarching, it's going to give you problems, so come away from that, give yourself a couple of seconds rest and then get yourself back in. Strong stomach, okay, yeah, nice and tight, okay, through the midsection, control it, down and then back up, all right? So that's your full press up there. If you struggle with that, okay, go to your half. So for your half press up, onto the knees, okay, cross the feet over, same rules apply. So we're just going to drop the hips slightly, keep the stomach nice and tight, head stays up, and we're just going to let the chest come down to the ground, nice and controlled, pushing back up to the top again, all right? Again, it's not about like smashing out like loads and loads of press-ups, control the reps all the way through. So nice and controlled, okay? Okay, it's going to help to then stabilize and build strength in the shoulders as well at the same time. Same rules apply. If you find that your hips are dropping, okay, it's going to still cause a problem with the lower back as well. So in your press up there, just making sure your hips aren't down here and you're doing this, okay? And so your bum's not up in the air like this either and doing this, okay? Yeah, none of that, all right? So bring your hips forward, stomach nice and tight, and then just from there, chest down, drive back up to the top like so.